ride it, ride it. Alright, so I'm over here on a weekend as usual, trying to get some hours in, trying to get some stuff made, trying to make some money so I can keep my stuff. I look up on my cameras and I catch the tail end of somebody pulling out of my parking lot. And I'm like, who's that? I didn't even hear anybody or see anybody at the time. So I walk over here by the doors and look what I see. Somebody slid a subwoofer underneath my door. It's only up about 12 inches so I can get some air up in here. And it looks like there's a subwoofer, a random subwoofer in my shop. A little note on here. Alright, I can barely read this. It looks like some sort of a ransom note. It's written on the back of a tore up envelope or something. I don't know, but let's see if I can decipher this. Hey brother, I know you're hella busy, but if you could make time to slap the MA hybrid, I would love to see the outcome. I know it'll take at least 1500 RMS easy. Much love. I don't know if that's a big long L and that's 1500 RMS or if that's 500 RMS. So I don't know if that's a 1500 or a 500, but I got the test bench ready to go with about 5500 on it. So I say we hook that thing up and see what it can do. I have no idea who dropped it off. I have no idea whose it is or even what it is. But it's here, so let's hook it up. Maybe it'll catch on fire. That'd be cool. The fuck is this? Now that's a hybrid. Well, let's drag it in, hook it up, and see what it can do. Alright, I got this big fat B2 audio amp on the test bench. I also got that big fat Sound Digital 5500.1 on the test bench. Should be enough power to put this thing to work, whatever the hell it is. Well, let's take a closer look at it. Talk about a Franken-Woofer, damn. Damn, is this Grandmama's lamp cord? It came back, I think. Oh no, it's a speaker cable. It's got some blue in it. Oh, this is Grandmama's lamp cord right here. There really is a lamp cord. Look at that. What the hell? Let's check this out. There's definitely some old lamp cord right there. But this appears to be some speaker wire, so that's good. Alright, the motor says 4,000 on it, but it also says MA audio, so I don't know about all that. Input 2 ohms, maybe it's a dual 2, I don't know, let's find out real quick. It looks like whoever had it last had it wired in, it looks like series, but it actually looks like parallel. Kind of a strange way to wire a subwoofer in parallel, but let's double check it real quick and see. So it's right around 1 ohm. So this thing is wired in parallel, and it appears to be a dual 2 ohm subwoofer. So that's easy. 1 ohm is good. I like 1 ohm. I say we hook it up, but not only am I gonna hook it up, but I'm gonna hook it up just how it showed up, with these raggedy ass wires hooked up. If you wanna give me a woofer and say it can handle 1500 watts RMS, you better supply me with some good wire too. Although I don't think this will have a problem. All right, we got the Sound Digital 5500.1D here. We're gonna unhook these nice wires that are going over to the Skeletor box. We'll hook these ones right on in here. That's what I like about my test bench being hooked up. It's ready to go for fun stuff. Shit, I almost forgot the most important part. We're gonna bust out the SMD AMM1. we need to know how much power is being delivered to this subwoofer, right? So all I gotta do is unhook one of these wires, run it right through this hole, then back to the amp again. Alright, so I guess one of the first things I want to find out before I really torture this thing is, does it even play? Well, I got it sideways right here. This way the air vent isn't blocked. And let's see if we can get some movement out of it on some music. And then I'll go straight into the test tones. We'll drop this bitch down to like 7 hertz. CT sound, coaxials over there sounding good. Damn, B2 audio running them. Can you guys hear that? I'm starting that over. Listen to that mid bass kicking so hard. I still can't believe those things sound like that. Got the JL audio processor right here. If you got headphones, put them on and listen to that. That isn't just woofer. It is moving a little bit, but it ain't making no bass. That's all those right there. Now let's see if this thing moves. Oh yeah, it's playing. Let's see how much power we're putting to it on music right before we go to the test tones. The real-time power. It's really hard to get a stable number when you're talking about having a speaker on the bench and playing music. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up the SMD IMSG, and we'll put some test tones through this bad boy. We'll fire up some slow-mo because everybody loves that. And we'll turn this thing up until it fucking breaks. But we'll see how much power it handles in the meantime. So let's do that. Alright, so we're just gonna unhook that. And we're gonna unhook this. And we're gonna plug this right back in. So instead of the deck feeding this thing signal, the IMSG is gonna feed it signal. There we go. Now, if you've seen me do this before, you know this is how we're gonna get that woofer flexing. So I'm gonna unhook this so we don't gotta listen to that anymore. There we go. Bass only. We still got this, we can still do it. I feel it. Oh, battery's dead. Battery's dead, gotta grab me a new one. Cut. $20. All right, enough of that. Let's put some real power to it. Here we go. The Franken-Woofer. Hopefully you can see the power. Put this bitch right at 20 hertz. $500. $750. $800. Turn the gain up a little bit. Oh, I can smell it. We got 13, we got 15, we got 17, 2,000. Woo, over 2,000 at 24 hertz. All right, we're gonna drop this bitch down. Let's bring it down. Bring it down to 8 hertz. All right, here we go, 8 hertz. Here we go. You gotta hold it so it don't jump off the table. $350 at 8 hertz. 400, 500. Oh shoot! Let's go. Shit, it's hanging in there. 2,200. Oh, look at that. 2,000 watts at 8 hertz. Woo! Oh, there it went. Oh, there it went. It's done. Look at that. I'll have to look at the video and see how much that just took at 8 hertz. But the sound digital didn't even budge. I could have kept going on it. Yeah, I think the coil went. I mean, I know the coil went, but I'm turning this up and it's still trying to move in there. Enough of that. I don't want to burn up my amp. All right, so there you have it. The mystery woofer, the Franken-Woofer. He said it can handle 1,500 watts, or maybe it was 500. Like I said, that was a long L. But hey, it took 2,000 watts at 8 hertz out in the open air for, man, until I saw smoke. Hey, not really that bad, to be honest. I don't know how it sounds, but it took the power. Yeah, that was fun. I love what I do.